Millions of people don't know that lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for a whole week with just a few simple tips from a 5-star chef. Did you know? In the past, I used to buy fresh, crisp green lettuce. But after just a few days, they withered and had to be thrown away, which was a real waste. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Lettuce is one of the most difficult vegetables to preserve. It bruises easily, loses moisture quickly, and is extremely sensitive. In today's video, I'll share 4 simple but very effective methods. And if you watch until the end, I'll show you another trick to revive wilted lettuce, making it look fresh again. Do you know why lettuce spoils so quickly? Because lettuce leaves are 95% water. They dry out easily and become soggy if not kept moist properly. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Therefore, the secret lies in creating a balance between humidity and air, allowing the lettuce to breathe while retaining its freshness. And now, let's begin with the first preservation method. Method 1. Preserving lettuce like flowers. Have you ever thought about preserving lettuce like flowers? It sounds strange, but it's extremely effective. Prepare a glass jar or cut off the top of a plastic bottle. Choose a size that suits the amount of lettuce you want to keep. Pour about 3 to 5 centimeters of water into the jar. Place the lettuce stems in the water. Keep the leaves intact if any. Then place it in the refrigerator's cooling compartment. Lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for 1 to 2 weeks, depending on its initial freshness. If the weather is cool, you can also leave it out in a cool, airy place for a short time. When needed, simply take out the amount you require. The rest will remain as fresh as new. Very convenient, isn't it? Method 2. Preserving separated lettuce leaves. Have you ever separated lettuce leaves to eat but didn't use them all, only to have them wilt and lose moisture after a short time? You're not alone. I've been through this too. My method for storing these loose lettuce leaves is actually very simple. Start by rinsing the leaves under cold running water. Next, pour water into a large bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until dissolved. Next, soak all the lettuce in this solution. Soak for about 10 minutes. Baking soda is alkaline, helping to remove pesticide residue, while salt has antibacterial properties. These 2 ingredients work together to effectively clean lettuce, removing dirt and insect eggs. After 10 minutes, rinse the vegetables under running water. Handle vegetables gently as they bruise easily. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Gently shake the lettuce to remove excess water. Use a paper towel or cotton cloth to gently pat each leaf dry, especially the base. Let me reiterate, humidity is the #1 enemy of fresh green vegetables. Once the leaves are dry, prepare a clean plastic container or medium-sized bowl. Place a layer of dry paper towels at the bottom. This cloth will absorb excess moisture but retain just enough to prevent the leaves from drying out. Next, place a layer of lettuce leaves on top, spreading them gently so they aren't pressed together. Place another layer of paper towels on top, then repeat the layers until the box is full. This alternating arrangement helps balance the humidity throughout the entire box. When finished, cover gently. Don't seal it completely, as lettuce needs a little air to stay fresh. Then, place it in the vegetable drawer of the refrigerator. The high humidity in this compartment will help the lettuce leaves retain their crispness and freshness for several days. Method 3. Storing chopped lettuce. Next is how to store chopped lettuce. This requires a little more care. Always use a sharp, non-serrated knife for cutting. Clean slices will help minimize bruising and keep the food crisp for longer. When you cut lettuce, you create thousands of tiny cuts on the leaves. These cuts are like microscopic wounds, causing the leaves to lose water more quickly, which is why chopped lettuce tends to wilt faster. After cutting, I store a portion of the lettuce in a sturdy container lined with dry paper towels at the bottom. Place the lettuce on top, but don't pack it too tightly. Next, cover the leaves with another layer of dry paper towels to absorb the moisture. An important detail: don't seal the lid completely. Leave it slightly ajar to allow for air circulation and prevent the leaves from becoming damp and soggy. Then place it in the refrigerator's vegetable compartment. I put the remaining lettuce into the Ziploc bags I had prepared. Fill a Ziploc bag with lettuce, then seal the bag, but don't seal it too tightly. Let the lettuce breathe. Finally, place this remaining Ziploc lettuce in the vegetable drawer of your refrigerator. Thanks to these steps, the chopped lettuce will retain its freshness and crispness, ready for quick meals throughout the week. Method 4. Preserving salad in jars. The final method is to preserve salad in jars, extremely convenient for those who like quick meals to take away. Start with the sauce. Pour the sauce into the bottom of the jar. Choose your preferred sauce. Next comes a layer of hard vegetables like carrots, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. Then add the lettuce, arranging it gently so the leaves have room to breathe. Finally, place a layer of folded paper towels on top to absorb the condensation. Close the lid tightly. Then store it in the refrigerator. When eating, simply take out a paper towel, shake the jar well, and pour onto a plate. This way, the lettuce stays crisp and fresh until the very last moment. Now for the reviving of wilted lettuce. If the lettuce is soft but still smells fresh and isn't slimy, don't throw it away. In most cases, it's just dehydrated. Soak the leaves in ice-cold water for 10 to 30 minutes. The cold water will help the leaf cells reabsorb water and become firmer. Then, remove them from the water and let them dry completely. Finally, store it like fresh lettuce. With this simple trick, you can save an entire bunch of lettuce. Whenever friends come over, I usually prepare a refreshing lettuce salad. Everyone loves it because it's delicious, light, and very easy to eat. And I believe you'll love it too. Let's try making it in the kitchen. Separate each lettuce leaf and wash gently. Soak in cold water for 5 minutes to make the lettuce crispier. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Remove and drain or pat dry with paper towels. Chop the lettuce. Cut the tomatoes into wedges or thin slices. Cut the cucumbers into round slices. Cut the carrots into round slices. I suggest a simple, easy-to-eat sauce recipe that goes well with all vegetables. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice or 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, ½ tablespoon honey, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper. Stir well until the mixture is well blended. You can increase or decrease the honey-lemon according to your taste. If your family likes sour or sweet, it's easy to adjust. Put the lettuce in a large bowl. Add the tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and the toppings you prepared. Drizzle the sauce on top. Mix gently from bottom to top so the vegetables don't get crushed. The salad is best eaten immediately after mixing. At this time, the lettuce is still crispy. The vegetables are fresh and the sauce is very attractive. Lettuce salad is always a light but full of flavor choice. I like this recipe because it's extremely easy to make. Anyone can make it the first time. Crispy lettuce mixed with lemon and olive oil dressing, very light. You can change the toppings as you like, and it's always delicious. If you want a quick, healthy, and time-saving dish, this is a great choice. Isn't it great? Which method do you like best? And that's all for today's video. Hopefully, these simple tips will help you keep your lettuce fresh every day. With just small changes to how you wash, dry, and store food, you can save money and make cooking much easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. And before you leave, please let me know in a comment what kind of food you find most difficult to preserve. That could very well be the topic of my next video. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.